Buddy, get ready. Here comes the bounce. All right, we're getting right down to that territory where we are expecting a massive bounce to happen here. Okay, we got some RSI's resetting. Everything is looking great. First off, let me show you this. Look at this volume, up 90.77%, $25 million. Market cap 867 million. That's down 6.49%. But look at the volume. All right, you got some buyers coming in. People seeing a bottom coming. All right, so looking for a big bounce coming here. Now, if we go over to CoinGlass, look at these liquidations. 24-hour liquidations, 242.8 million. All right, that's up a 5x from yesterday, 519.21%. Open interest is at 36.496 billion, and 24-hour volume, here we go, 129.7 billion. That's up 160% from yesterday. All right, that's people, you end up seeing red. You buy red, sell green. You know, that's you're getting buyers coming in today. Okay, that's what you want to see. Getting a nice pullback, getting some RSI's reset, and getting ready for a bounce here pretty soon. Okay, let's look at the last hour. Look at that. There you go. That's exactly what's going on. That's why volume is up so high. There you see it. Everything is starting to get a bounce here. Now, Bitcoin had this pull down today, which caused all these liquidations. All right, I'm going to show it to you here real quick. It's still down right around that 40,000 bucks. Want to see it regain that 40,300, but not sure it's going to do that today. Not looking. Looks like it came up and got rejected. Yeah, look at that. Ended up losing 40,200 right here. This yellow line. All right, you can see how it came back up, got rejected off of it, and now it's starting to roll over. All right, the next support for this thing is down here at 38,000, right around 38,500 bucks, and then the one after that's at 37.6. So could see a little bit of a drop here, right? I'm not expecting that. I'm expecting Bitcoin to bounce. Okay, let's take a look at these RSI's. The 12-hour, 12-hour is still coming down. All right, but you got your daily right at the bottom. It's at a 4.3 and a 5. And look at your 3-day RSI is at a 1.3 and a 0.9. It's bullish. Okay, so looking for a bounce coming out of Bitcoin here soon. I believe this was a liquidation hunt. You know, this thing could come down even deeper and then start or bounce up. But looking for a bounce before this final rollover out of Bitcoin. All right, hoping this thing comes up to a 618 up here, and then that 618 is up here 45,000 bucks. We'll get that high. I don't know. Maybe it'll only get to 44. But expecting a bounce up and then that final rollover here, and I'm expecting that to head down to about $32,000. After it hits there, I have some money on the sidelines. I will be piling into altcoins right down here. All right, this is a 702 fib level. This is where I'm expecting this thing to plunge to. After we could finally get a bounce. I'm expecting it to come down to this 702 and then start our bull run. Okay, that's coming up. It's going to be a great year, everybody. It's going to be a lot of fun, man. This is probably going to be one of the funnest times of your life coming up. This is going to be a great year. All right, now this plunge down isn't going to be so much fun, but after we bottom out here and this thing starts on its way back up, it's going to be a blast. I can't wait. This year is going to be fantastic. The last bull run was so much fun. I've been waiting for this one. Okay, now let's look at Beam. All right, this is on a 3-day chart. You can see we're approaching that 618. All right, down here 0.01636, And then you got your 702 right here at 0.015404. These are the two areas I would be expecting a bottom to come in and a massive bounce to happen. All right. Now the 3-day RSI is at a 5 and an 11, right down to bottom. Okay. The daily is just about reset. It's at a 3 and a 10, so that could pull us down just to that, possibly 0.0154. That's the 702, and that could be our bounce out of here. You got your 12-hour right on the floor. You got your 8 hours on the floor, and you got your 4-hour is bullish. Okay, so it could bottom here. That could be a bottom right there. It might not even get the whole way down here to the 618. 0.01636. I would at least expect it to hit that 618. It doesn't have to. It can take off from here. But you got a bullish 4-hour. You got a bullish 8-hour. It's all zeros. A bullish 12-hour. It's all zeros. And that daily is almost reset. Once that daily's reset, look out. Okay, then this thing is gonna start tearing again. All right, so won't be long, guys. Like I said, keep an eye on these numbers here: 0.01636 or 0.0154. All right, 618 or 702. That should be your areas you're looking for an entry. Not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This could have possibly bottomed already. This wick down here, that could be enough. All right, but if it's not, watch for these levels, and then we should be rocking and rolling back to the upside. All right, thanks a lot. Please hit like and subscribe, guys, and I'll talk to you very soon. Have a great night, everybody.